someone saying about the pumpkins out in the field?
There's 100,000 out there.
100,000.
There's a lot out there this year.
80,000?
You have said 100,000 and we've already told them.
Might even be 100,000.
Are they all the same?
No, they're all different. So we've got Crown Prince, we've got Spaghetti Squash, we've got Cinderella, Pumpkin. White ones, we've got small ones, we've got big ones, we've got gourds. Put me on the spot.
What are we doing today?
Okay.
Let's get
It
this.
looks like you're murdering it.
Okay, do you want to carry on cutting it?
This is bad cutting.
Yes, Mum, you're right. Halloween again. This is gonna have music on it.
Yeah, what music do you like?
Little Mix.
What's it look like?
Orange bit looks like carrot. That's in your thing when you have.
And when you're sick, you always bring out carrot, even if you haven't eaten it.
It's because it stays in your intestines. Use your hands then. This was what I was waiting for all day at school. Extra virgin olive. Having it.
It only takes a day to prepare.
So wrong. One of my skills, Mum. One of my skills. Put the pepper and salt in. This is gonna be good. Now mix that all together. Feel nice and combined.
Oh god. Oh yeah.
This is going so wrong. Yeah, they're done well.
We're such experts. What are you putting in?
Garlic. Some garlic. Just chop up your garlic and then put it in. So here's the Cajun spices. The occasional spices.
How much are you going to put in?
The whole packet. Until it blows up.
3 tablespoons and a tablespoon of dried sage.
Okay, so here it is. One, 2, 3.
I suppose you can put any spices that you like in, can't you?
Yeah.
We're gonna mix that all till well combined. Okay, so this is like, I know what you guys will think it's ginger beer, it's tea would just go down. It is actually vegetable stock. All in.
I like it, I like it. I like it, I like it.
Okay, now let's do this thing. What, this thing? This thing.
Oh, don't make a hole in it, babe.
Okay. Oi, that's small. I want mine to be the big pizza. Beautiful. More shapeable. Yes.
That's it, that would be. Probably way too enough.
This is so good. Oh my god. We had a little bit more because I love tomato.
I knew what she's thinking, but she's trying to.
That's not bad. Can I try some? That's actually really good. Might not want to film my reaction. So good. Like. Sorry about the mess, Bob.
Don't worry. I'll get the dogs in now, clear it up.
Are we using the whole thing now?
Use the whole block, man.
Sprinkle. Yes, stop eating it.
Don't hate them all. I like tomatoes.
I left you 3.
So Dad.
Nose, like Rudolph. She actually made it at her age.
Hot pizza, I really need you tonight. Hot pizza, come on and give
Well, it's really nice. I can't believe it's nice because Isma made it, so it's really nice. It's the best pizza I've ever tasted. I could eat another 15,000 of them. That's what they had in the old.
Flat like that, easier.
That's what they had in the old. Can you do the last little bit?
That is good.
Lush. And then we're going to take
What is it you're putting on?
2 of these. Sweet corn. Then we're putting on some roasted, some roasted pumpkin nuts.
Oh. Love heart. I can taste the cream.
I'm doing a love heart. Like, it's spicy.
Oh, really spicy.
Put too much in it. I will make
It's
this
really spicy.
Cajun. Filming still.
Yeah. Put a bit more cream in it then.
Yeah. This is so good. I need a bit more because it's way too spicy.
The soup is.
Yeah, awesome, excellent. And
If Bob has actually managed to fill you up, Tilly, that's impressive.
no, Mum, I can't eat all of it because I've still got spaghetti squash to get in my belly. So basically, inside, it's called a spaghetti squash because, well, it looks like spaghetti.
When you cook it, doesn't it?
When you cook it, it looks a lot.
I've actually
it
made
looks
spaghetti squash. I actually made it spaghetti.
okay.
Wait, push the freezer out.
Okay, now we're gonna rub that
Is that enough?
over.
Put your fingers.
Literally all over, just get it all around it. We got my mouth and we did it. Last night.
Voila.
Extra carrot cake to this one.
So this is after 10 minutes. Do you reckon that's done then? A bit longer.
That's some full of my baby.
Is that a TikTok?
No, it's little minutes. Oh yes.
Smell it. It smells lovely, doesn't it?
It looks like noodles. Is it salty? Yeah, it's because I put loads of salt on to make it taste better.
Do you want to do it in your fork and what's it going to do?
You're coming in, mums. No, I just said pumpkin. We don't have bolognese, so we're going to cover it in tomato ketchup.
Oh, yummy.
Oh, I just missed stomach ache. I've already eaten a soup, 2 pizzas, and now after this I have to eat something. I only like it with ketchup. I love it. Oh, yeah. I want some more.
Oh, it can't be that bad then, can it?
No, it can't. This is like the best day of my life.
Masquerade.